So let me introduce myself first. My name is Maria Febriani Nunis from YKPN School of Business Yogyakarta in Indonesia. And today I want to present my research about the integration of technology acceptance model and theory of planned behavior on online purchase intention of Shopee marketplace consumers. As we know, almost every business relies on online platforms to reach its customers in providing various types of goods and services. In the past, the Indonesian community still carry out conventional shopping activities, but now they are starting to shift towards shopping online without involving face-to-face process or direct meetings between sellers and buyers. And online shopping is currently one of the reasons users access the internet in Indonesia. And one type of e-commerce chosen by the Indonesian community in meeting their daily needs is the type of marketplace. And from several marketplace platforms in Indonesia, in the third quarter of 2020, Shopee was ranked first with the number of visitors reaching 19.6 million visitors. Next, about the literature review, technology acceptance model is a model that has been used over the last few decades to assess the acceptance of technology, use a measure by intention, which is determined by attitude, which is derived from perceived ease of use and perceived usefulness from the Davis in 1989. Perceived ease of use is an individual perception that with use the technology can facilitate or make the person detach from the effort. In this regard, perceived usefulness is an individual's belief that doing something with the help of technology can maximize the person's performance. And theory of planned behavior was developed by Kasjan in 1991 to overcome the limitation theory of recent action in explain human behavior. And in TPB, behavioral intention is influenced by attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. Attitude is a person's positive or negative feelings towards a behavior. Subjective norms are social pressure that can encourage someone to reject or carry out certain behaviors. And perceived behavioral control is the belief that a person has the control and ability to perform a behavior. So in this study, aim to integrate the technology acceptance model and theory of planned behavior to provide the best model that can help predict the online shopping intention of Shopee marketplace consumers. The sampling technique are the combination of purposive and snowball sampling, so that obtain 234 respondents from several islands in Indonesia. The data was processed using IBM SPSS Statistics 26 and IBM AMOS 24. And the data was testing include validity and reliability test, descriptive statistic, normality test, model fit test, and the last one is hypothesis testing. Findings of this study are: first one, perceived ease of use positively affects attitude. And second, perceived usefulness does not positively affect attitude. Third, perceived ease of use is positively affects perceived usefulness. Fourth, attitude positively affect purchase intention, and subjective norms positively affect purchase intention. And the last one is perceived behavioral control positively affect purchase intention. So the findings of this study indicate that the technology acceptance model and the theory of planned behavior can be integrated to provide a better research model in predicting customer intentions to shop online. Finally, the practical implication of this research can be useful for the marketplace Shopee to develop features, services, and systems that are in accordance with customer expectation. Thank you.